back to my YouTube channel. Today I am reviewing TEMU. Please like and subscribe to my channel. The main reason why I'm doing this video is just that someone who also wants to order from them, they will know exactly what to expect and everything. Okay, so this is my parcel. It's just giving shame. So you have that hope that these things, are good, but hey, we don't know. We better find out. Let's get spoiled. Ukuthi usiphatheleni uThemu. So guys, I don't really have enough space here, but you will see everything, I promise. Ooh. Let's just dig in. Aha! So this is a two-piece. So okay, I can keep full. So most of these things are for kids. I bought it for my teenage pregnancy. I got it for my teenage pregnancy daughter. That's what I call her. So wow, man, it's a two-piece. It looks so cute. Next, lama LED au 30 inch. Yeah, 30 inch. Oh my god, you can see the roll is long. Is it long or what? But you can see it's definitely the 30 inch that I ordered. I will test it after seeing everything else. I'm gonna test it if it really works. Hey Bo, what's this? So on this top there's a stain. There's a stain on the top, but it's okay, I'll wash it. And then I also bought slides. Man, I'm like addicted into buying slides. Even when I buy from Shane, I get slides, man. Like, I cannot get enough. These were like 53 rand. This was like, bruh, 53 rand. I'm taking them. So I wasn't planning on buying my slides, but I ended up buying them. They look super cute. This is like my new favorite color. There's pink, there's powder pink, and also beige. Beige and powder pink they're like my new favorite colors. Hey, they're like my new favorite colors. But this is actually worth it. Oh. They're quite strong. They're stronger than the ones that I bought from Shane with the exact same price. This one is stronger, so a point. Oh man. So a point, okay? Let's see what's next. Buy from TEMU. These are plastics for my small business, and I am like benga expecting ukuthi abe kanje awu hundreds, guys, and I can see ukuthi vele awu hundreds ngempela. Just look, maningi. Oh my god, I am so happy. Hey, look at these. They look so cute for packaging. Like, even the size. Man, come on now. It's a two-piece again for kids. It's a two-piece for kids. It's a little hoodie and also the pants. The pants are quite long. then I don't know. But the pants are quite long. That's my mom standing over there. That's my mom. I'm recording. That's why I was recording. So, next. It is kids jacket. Oh, and I'm so cute. God. You know, I wish I got this for myself. Why didn't I? Just look how cute it looks. It's also comfy. It looks comfy and it feels comfy. As you can see how, oh my goodness. But I can say it is comfy, but I don't know, I just feel too light. But it's cute and I like the material, but it just feels light. But it's good. I mean, it's good. But the price that I got it, it's good. Oh, I got wig caps because I sell I sell wigs now, so I also got like wig caps. Oh my god, they're just perfectly packed. They're just perfectly packed. I didn't expect that they'll come like this, you know. I thought they were just gonna put them together in one thing. So each thingy has 2 wig caps. Each thing has 2 wig caps, and look how many. I'm definitely taking this one though. It's mine. So guys, as I was saying, I sell wigs now, so if you just want to see more about those kind of things, make sure that you get my Instagram handle, and then you're gonna see like everything I sell. So last 2 products is this cover, and then these are like handbag. Did I say handbags? Headbands. I also got this from Shein one time, and they were not packed like this. They were packed individually, so, but it's okay, I guess. It's okay. So cute, super duper cute. Like, okay guys, we get the last thing, but all I'm gonna say before I open the sneakers, all I'm gonna say is I'm happy. I'm definitely happy. You know, all you need from TEMU is you should know how to read like the sizes. You know, use your ruler to see the size. Ungavele uthenge into nje without seeing the size, because you're gonna cry. So for me, sure, I am very happy. I'll definitely order again. But one thing that I noticed when I purchased is that they took 40 rand extra for some reason on my account. But okay, I forgive them, because you know everything is perfect and the prices are low, so I'm not really losing that much. So the last products that we are going to see is these sneakers. Oh damn. They're definitely big, yeah? They're definitely big, but then it's my... They're definitely big, but they're so cute. They are big, but I'll see, you know? Just look. Hey, oh guys, that is all. Thank you for watching till the end, and also I am a happy customer. from TEMU. I'll definitely buy again. Shame. I'm happy with the service and also the time that it took to arrive. See you guys on my next video.